For those of you guys that are new to my channel, I'm Angel J, and to my returning subscribers, what's good? So the purpose of this video is to let you guys know or show you guys like my everyday eyeshadow look. I won't call it a makeup look simply because of the fact that I don't have, like, to me makeup is like full face and I don't have the full face set. My go-to is this soft ochre. Is it, who called ochre? Ochre? The paint pot from MAC. That part, yeah, we can go with that. So that is going to be our base. So then I go with this right here. I'm trying not to get the mirror so it won't reflect off on the camera. So I get this right here, and then you just tap the excess off, and then I just basically go on top of my eye right here, and then you just do the same thing over here, and it's almost like a windshield wiping rotation or movement. So yeah, so that's what that looks like. And then I'm using the same brush, and I'm going in with this one in the middle. This one is a little bit darker, so then I go under this like this. Again, using this blending brush because this is probably the last step. I go in with this brown, and if you guys can see that, okay, double tap, and then you do on the outer corner. So what I do is I kind of tap it and I open, and then I start blending it like so. And you gotta be careful because with this, with the mocha, is, as you can see, it's very harsh. So you kind of just want to go over it, and then you just kind of go like this. You want to kind of cover some of your eyelid. Now I know it's probably like, you're probably looking like, whoa, what's going on? I'm looking like, girl, what is you doing? I know what I'm doing. So this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer. I'm gonna go in, and this is how I do my little cut crease. I dab it, and I look up. And then usually where I look, wherever it lands, that's kind of like what I need to add the shadow to. This flat brush. This is my, just putting the eyeshadow. So my favorite one, I mean, I haven't tried all the colors, but as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but the most one I use the most is this one because it's a little dug in. Ready for this? As you can see, I was using this a lot. All right, so I will go in with this white highlight right here, and I will go on the inside of my corner, in the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in here with this, and this is my brow. And that's it. Psych. You thought I was finished? No. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? No. I use, this is literally LA Colors liquid liner. Like, you can use any color, any eyeliner. It's not a full look without lashes. So that's what we're gonna go for. So I'm just gonna get a makeup wipe and just get the excess off. You can use a concealer, but like for stuff like this, I just use makeup wipes to clean it up. Like so. The last thing I'm gonna do is apply these lashes. The lashes I got is by LaFlare. I like these so much. And I got this from the hair store. It's only $2.99. Thank you guys for watching this video.